We have the brand new issue number 5 of the Love Card Making. Now, this is an international magazine. That's because the editor is in Australia and many of the designers are, but a lot of the product, well, all the product comes from all over the globe. So let me show you what's included. And first of all, I know you want to know what the freebies are. So there is Gears, Wheels, and Cogs is the title. So you can see kind of a masculine tone. You can see the cutting dies right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, and then all of the stamps as well as an embossing folder. So that's a nice collection of things. And we know that Father's Day is not until June, but you know, it's still on the way. Let me show you what's included in this magazine. And I'm going to flip first to the very first of the projects that use the free gifts that are included. So you can see they're all kind of right here. They are broken out so you can see step-by-step photos, step-by-step instructions, as well as sometimes step-by-step photos, and this is making that embossing folder look metallic. So lots of ways that you can do that. One of them is shown here using embossing powder, but I do like the way that they used one stamp multiple times to create those looks with the cards. I mean, it's just a really clever look. And we're going to, you can see some other ideas. There's another trio, all geared up for your birthday and with those. Now there are also additional ones, and this is called an expert guide. And they're talking about using, this is Color Burst, which is very similar to the Creative Expressions shimmer shakers, where you tap them on. I like to put it on cardstock and then mist on some water. They're tending to do it a different way, putting the water first and then spritzing on the mist, but you do get a wonderful look. And they've done something fun with saran wrap or any of the plastics to kind of do a smudged look, which is really fun. So nice to also see that. Back here we have more of the projects using the free things in the kit, and I think that's always nice. Happy birthday, it's your day. Father's Day, all of those are included. And here's some more. I think that's really stunning. Mixing the copper, well, actually silver, gold, and copper, all 3 of the metals on one card. Very striking and just really fun to see. So as you can tell, I thought it was really fun to add the jute there, kind of a Western flavor for that particular project. Let me see. This is a section, or just actually one project, called Feeling Blue, and they've done that in a previous issue also. What I particularly liked about this is it's using our Serendipity Flowers stamp set. So I thought that was a really nice surprise. And we'll go on more. So here are more things. I guess this was a whole section of blue. So it's just interesting to see the different looks. I thought especially the flowers, to see them all in blues is might be a good idea to try out with some of the products that you have. Now, this is an article using the Heartfelt Creations Nucala Lily. I just wanted to point out that we carry that product, so it's really nice to see some other ideas and fun to know. Again, that's the international part of this magazine because, as you know, this is a U.S. company, and as we are at Paper Wishes. Now, again, more ideas using what's included. So many times we get comments that people would like ideas for masculine. So here you go. They're all right here. Another idea of using these with some additional products, so that's fun to see. There are also some downloads for some papers, so that's part of what you get when you get this magazine. And isn't that stunning? Again, using the jute. Not as much Western here, but certainly highly masculine, so that's nice. Now, this is also showing the teal treasures. We have had that from Hunky Dory, and it's been a great favorite. Now, this is a whole section on shaker cards, so fun to see. I don't know that I've seen words done in shaker cards, so that's a nice idea to share with you, and it's nice to get it in with the magazine. Now, over here, we have another, so this is a birthday theme, but I thought it was fun just to see some other ideas. Watercolors done in a little different manner, As you can see, I like flowers just kind of peeking out. Maybe you don't see the whole blossom, but really, really nice. So lots of things going on in the 5th issue of Love Card Making, and it's here right now at paperwishes.com.